I recently had a chance to take both my mother-in-law and my dad drifting for the first time. I'll show you a clip here in a second of my mother-in-law. She was a little bit terrified, and then we'll hop over to my dad for his first full 2 laps in a drift car. I am still learning parts of this course, and there are certainly some sections where I wish I had a little bit more power or more gear. Here you see me trying to hold and stay in drift all the way to this front straight, which is really tough. Now you've got to cook it through here with a ton of speed, but not so fast that you loop it on the next turn, which is tight. Something that can make these laps even extra hard is people in front of you hitting cones and barriers. I just had to miss a cone right there. Earlier on, I actually had Jersey barriers directly in front of me that I had to slide through and shoot the gap while drifting.
Your mom, she couldn't take this shit. You did good, man. You got this down.